Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable email preferences on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, navigate to the drop-down menu and select Settings and Privacy. Next, click or tap on Notifications to access the notification settings. Within the settings, sidebar, click or tap on Email Notifications to manage your email preferences. You can toggle the email notifications switch on or off based on your preference. Make sure to check the notification boxes that align with your email preferences to customize the notifications you receive. Any changes you make to your email preferences are automatically saved for your convenience. By following these steps, you can easily customize your email notification settings on X, Twitter, on your PC to ensure you receive notifications that are relevant to you. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of enabling email preferences on X, Twitter, on your PC. Customize your notifications to stay informed and engaged with the content that matters most to you.